Next one. Push that one forwards. This one. Sorry, pull that one back. Look. Push that one forwards. Keep going. Push that one a bit more. Now down. Don't really need that one. Just use these two. So push. That's it. Go on, keep going. Go on then. Tip it. This one. No, push it back out. Other way. Middle one. This one. Keep pushing it all the way. Alright, now do other way, that's it. Now that one. Middle one. This one. Hello. Hey there. Why? I didn't see you. Oh, I didn't see you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment.